JCB Paint has launched a new commercial and domestic weatherproof paint that's set for success in the equestrian market. JCB Paint can be used externally and internally all over a yard, including wood, masonry, metal, concrete, plastic and brick. Invented in the UK, JCB Paint doesn't just improve the decorative appeal of a building, it also creates a barrier to protect the integrity of its surfaces. Easy and versatile to apply with a brush, roller or spray, JCB Paint does not require specialist equipment or safety PPE for application. Stain, mold and water resistant, JCB Paint protects any surface on which it's used. The paint is also flame retardant and acts as a smoke suppressant, offering vital time when evacuating a yard. No matter the use, JCB Paint has a colour to suit, so customers can keep things simple and subtle or go bright and bold. The complete paint solution, JCB Paint acts as a primer and top coat combined. Water-based and made from the highest quality ingredients, it's safe to use around all animals, including horses that chew the painted surface. With a unique polyurethane co-polymer ingredient, the paint is impervious to weather, but is easily washable with water and disinfectant without it affecting the protective barrier. Planet-friendly, JCB Paint is packaged in a unique bag-in-a-tub design. In addition, the outer tub is fully recyclable, or the user can peel off the labels and reuse it as a handy container. Confident in the ability of the product, JCB Paint provides a 10-year guarantee. Having developed a range of in-store marketing collateral and point-of-sale material, there's every confidence that stockists will get an excellent return on their investment.